Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can deploy a Lovable project on Netlify. Now this is going to be actually very simple. It's a two-step process. First of all, I'm going to ask you to open the project that you want to upload or deploy. And then, as with some previous tutorials, I just want you to, click on this button that says View Your Project on GitHub. You're going to have to connect to your GitHub account if you haven't done so. But yeah, in my case, I have done it. So this is what's going to look like. I'm just going to click in here, right? This is what it's going to look like. Okay, and this is how my project looks on GitHub. It's already uploaded, okay? You're gonna have to upload it for the first time, and this is how it's gonna look. Great. Now, we wanna do this because we wanna go now to Netlify, and we're gonna click on Import from Git, okay? Import from Git, and then we're gonna select GitHub in here, and that's gonna take us to this page, and you're gonna have to authorize Netlify, amazing, and now you're going to have to select the repository that you actually want to import. In my case, it's this one here, right? So you're just going to click on install, and that's going to be it. Thank you so much, guys.